Place your MZX frame on a flat table. This is the T-slot of your roller. This is your M-plug. Each frame corner should have notches on them to help calibrate the position of your rollers prior to inserting mesh. Take your Newman industrial torque wrench and loosen the bolts of the roller so it can rotate freely. Then rotate the roller inward using the T-slot and the corner notches as a guide for positioning the roller. For this demo, we are indexing or positioning the roller to the first notch inward. This positioning will vary for different tension levels. Now tighten and torque the bolts to lock the roller. Repeat these steps with the remaining rollers. Prepare your mesh over the frame. It's important to make sure all the edges of your mesh are straight. The best way to ensure a straight edge is to cut and tear the mesh. Start with the square bar first. Position the mesh over the square bar and center it. Take your alignment clips, which are used to hold the mesh in the T-slot, and position them as shown, one at each end of the square bar. Position the alignment clips approximately a finger's distance from the inside of the roller on both sides. To ensure the mesh is inserted straight, take your locking strip and place it under the mesh and up against the alignment clip. Position your thumb to the edge of the mesh for measurement. Go to the opposite alignment clip and position the locking strip under the mesh up against the clip and match it to your thumb's position. If it does not line up to your thumb, hold the thumb placement and using your middle finger, wiggle the alignment clip side to side. This motion will allow you to pull the mesh freely with your other hand to the thumb placement. Remeasure and adjust as needed. If you need to go to the opposite direction, simply pull the mesh inward and remeasure. Now that both sides are measured, insert your locking strip. Remove the clip as you insert the locking strip. Do not slide the clip as it may damage the mesh. Center the locking strip in the square bar and go to the opposite roller. Starting in the center, gently pull the mesh towards you so that it is off the table and insert your first alignment clip. Again, pull the mesh consistently towards you and place the next two alignment clips. Pull the mesh outward to get any folds or wrinkles out of the position the alignment clips with your fingers. Take your locking strip and measure your mesh as before, starting with the center clip. Adjust the mesh as needed. Insert the locking strip. Rotate the frame to the next roller and insert 2 alignment clips as shown. Insert the locking strip. Rotate the frame to the next roller and insert 3 alignment clips as shown. Insert the locking strip. Now you have completed the mesh insertion process. Before stretching the mesh, our goal is to increase the mesh tension even from the center or print area out in both directions. To accomplish this, we must soften the mesh at all 4 corners. You'll need your corner softening tool, alignment clips, and a marker.